Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and today we're going to do a recipe that's going to be done in this new air fryer.
We are being sponsored by Whousewe, and today they sent us this air fryer to do our air fryer chicken wing recipe for all of you. So we are excited about it. It's 5.8 quarts, so it fits quite a bit of chicken in it. And we're gonna make two different kinds of chicken wings today. We're gonna make a buttermilk fried chicken wing.
That sounds really good.
It is really good. And my family's favorite Parmesan garlic chicken wings. And two great recipes, and chicken comes out so great in the air fryer. You guys are gonna love this. Oh, and it also comes with a great little recipe guide and an easy to use manual.
Yes,
that's for Sheila.
I need this one right now.
Sheila needs that. So, but we're going to show you all the great things that this can do. Very simple to clean. We think you guys are going to like it, so we thought we would share it with you on our show today. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to just take these wings. Now you could either leave these wings whole, or you can just tuck this little wing up there and do it like this. But we're gonna take these apart today and cut off and make the little drumettes that Sheila loves.
I love drumettes.
And
that's my favorite time.
Take the wing tips off. So we just slice these down, make our little drumettes. You just find that little joint and just cut it. I guess I should have put something under this board.
I would hold it for you, but my hand's on the camera.
And then we're gonna cut off the wing tip here. So we're just going to slice off that little tip. We don't need that on there.
No, we don't.
Let's just get them out of the way. So we're going to do that, and we'll have about 16 pieces. We'll have the drumettes and the wings, and we'll get them in the bowl. Then we've got some seasoned flour. We got a teaspoon of salt, pepper, half a pack of ranch seasoning, and paprika in our flour. And then we've got buttermilk. And so we're going to dip them in the buttermilk. And then we're going to dredge them in our flour, seasoned flour. And then we're going to place them on the rack to rest. So I'm going to do that to all these. So we're going to do 8 pieces this way. And then
that is some delicious batter.
Then what we have is the rest of these in our bowl here. And we're going to coat these
with some olive oil. Mix that around with your hands, of course.
That's why I got these gloves on.
Yes. So it won't be slicky.
That's right. And then in this little jar right here, I've got a teaspoon of garlic salt and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're just going to mix that around.
And a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese.
We're just going to lightly sprinkle that on the chicken, and I'll mix that all around.
It is a good coating.
It is so good. Wait till you taste this. This is one of my, everybody loves this. My family's like, oh yeah, make that garlic Parmesan chicken. It's delicious. And we'll put it on the rack here.
When I hear anything that's got Parmesan cheese in it, I mean, my ears perk up. They do.
All right, so we got them on the rack while they're resting. And now we're gonna turn on our air fryer, and we're gonna choose preheat. And the preheat setting automatically defaults to 3 minutes, and then you hit the start button, and then we'll let that preheat. It will shut off after 3 minutes. Once that's preheated, I'm going to take a little bit of this Nonstick cooking spray. I like the olive oil kind.
I do like olive oil.
And just spray the bottom of our pan here a little bit in this basket, and start placing our chicken in the basket. And this basket is great because you can fit quite a bit of chicken in here. We'll fit all 16 pieces in here. Put the buttermilk ones up front here.
It is a good size air fryer.
It is. And we'll put them in there. And we will choose, if you notice up here, as you choose, it chooses the different kinds of food. We're choosing chicken at 360 degrees. And we're gonna do 20 minutes total, but we're gonna start out with 10 minutes and I'm gonna let it beep and let me know it's done, because then I'm gonna open it up and then we're gonna flip them over. Now you don't have to do that. You could just leave it on the 20 minutes and open the drawer, and the air fryer will automatically just shut off temporarily and then continue when you shut the drawer back in. But I want it to beep when it's done, like this. And I'm gonna turn these over, but first I'm gonna spray them with a little bit of Nonstick cooking spray again. Lightly coat them, and then I'm gonna turn them over. But air fryer wings are delicious. I mean, they really are tender and they're never dried out.
And they're not dripping in grease.
Exactly. Much healthier. Spray the other side with a little bit of Nonstick spray again, and we're gonna put them back in there for another 10 minutes. Look at that.
That looks so delicious.
I think those garlic Parmesan ones are done. So maybe we should take those out. All right. They're nice and crispy.
I'll take that one.
We'll put these other ones back in there for about 5 minutes. Let them cook a little bit longer, the buttermilk ones. And we will take them out.
Now look at this, how good it looks.
Oh my gosh. Got some dipping sauce here if you want some, but honestly, I bet you don't even need any dipping sauce with these. Just delicious. Air fryer wings. Ain't nothing better. 2 ways. Yum, yum.
Are you ready to try these?
I am.
Let's try this.
They smell so good. I'm going to try the garlic Parmesan here.
Okay, I'll do the buttermilk.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Mmm.
Mmm. These are good.
Mm-hmm. That's delicious. You know, they're so tender.
They are.
They're not dry at all. Just delicious. Okay, I'm going to try a little bit of the buttermilk here now. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Aren't they good? You don't even need a dipping sauce with these. Delicious.
This is a great air fryer.
It is. And thank you, Whousewe, for sending this air fryer today so we could share it with all of our viewers out there. We really appreciate you. By the way, there's a link right below in the description box where you can check out and get this air fryer for your home. We appreciate you. And as Steve's always said,
is this the best?
Air fryer chicken wings? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. All right, we're going to eat some more of these. That's good stuff.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.